Look what we're going to make today. Cheese lover tortellini.
We're going to turn them into some nice party snacks. We're going to make tortellini snack picks. And we're going to use some skewers, regular barbecue skewers, and make a nice little kebab out of these.
Sheep kebab? What's this open? Looks fancy. Rana.
So
Griddle, I guess, right?
Rick's going to get started by boiling the pasta, and then we're going to refrigerate it for a couple hours, right?
Yep. I'll open them with scissors.
And then after they're nice and chilled, I'm going to assemble them onto the snack picks.
Cheesy.
What does that say for how long?
3 minutes.
3 minutes for the type that's refrigerated, but you can also use frozen ones if you have a bag of frozen ones, right? All right.
Let that come to a rolling boil, then I'll drop them in for 3 minutes, okay? Can't wait.
Rick's really busy this morning. He's making something else at the same time.
Some bacon cinnamon rolls. You'll see that on my channel. They're in the oven right there.
Yeah,
let's show that.
Yeah, let's show them.
Oh, good.
Look.
There's bacon inside them.
Yeah, he rolled the bacon right inside. Oh boy, that's going to be good.
8 more minutes.
Check his channel and you'll see that recipe.
All right, here's some sizzling over here. The water is starting to boil. Put in my tortellinis. Oh, we should have 3 or 4 bags. Is that going to be enough?
Yeah, that's going to be enough because we're going to alternate them with some vegetables and cheese and stuff when we make
meatballs and sausage clumps.
No. Well, we could do that.
I added salt to this water already. All right, be back when it's time to say the word. Pastaware. We don't want to boil them too much because they'll start coming apart. It's been 2 minutes. 1 more minute. I feel like eating those right now with some cheese and butter on them. Alright, that's boiled long enough. I'm going to put them into my cooling pot. I'm going to spray a little olive oil spray on them so they don't stick together as they dry. Boy, they smell good. A little more spray in there. Now we're going to let them cool. What's your instructions on cooling?
All right, now we're going to let them cool to room temperature and get them right in the refrigerator. And then we're going to refrigerate them for about 2 or 3 hours before we start to work with them.
All right, so we'll have that a little bit later. First we got to eat my cinnamon bacon buns.
Yeah, let's get back to the cinnamon rolls with bacon. I came outside now with the chilled tortellini and a couple nice vegetables here. I have a large zucchini, and I have some grape tomatoes, and I have some nice sweet peppers. And I'm here with the Blackstone griddle, and I know it's a little noisy, the lawnmowers just came out in the neighborhood. I also have some Cracker Barrel cheese here that we're going to make a couple of cubes to thread on the skewers. But for now, I'm going to take the zucchini, cut it up into pieces that I can thread onto the skewers, cut up the peppers and take the seeds out and make them so that they can be threaded on also. I'm going to roast those a little bit on the griddle, and then we'll get ready to assemble the sticks. we're going to make chunks, something like that, because we want to be able to put the pick through them. When they get a little softer on the griddle, we want to stay on the stick. Take most of the seeds out. These are not hot peppers, so it's just a preference. That's a big one. We'll cut that in thirds. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of my basting oil here to roast this on the griddle. It's sunflower oil. It has parsley, thyme, and garlic already in it. Alright, let's fire up the griddle. I'm going to toss the vegetables on here. And we're going to give them a splash of this nice basting oil. In the meantime, while these are starting to sizzle, I'm going to take this Cracker Barrel cheese, and this is extra sharp yellow cheese, and I'm going to make chunks that we're also going to feed onto these delicious skewers. If they start to get charred the way I would like them to be, I'm going to remove them from the griddle. Peppers are getting done. Let's see if we can get a nice blistery look like that. Okay, we're going to take it off and get it ready for the next step. They're really coming out nice. Ooh, tasty. Good. And mainly the peppers are good shape. Zucchini's just perfect too. Look at this. Alright, this looks great. I'm going to shut off the griddle for a minute. So we have a nice plate of grilled vegetables. Okay, I have a nice long refrigerator box here. I have a lid, but with the skewers, they just about fit in. And I have regular barbecue skewers, or you can also use chopsticks or something that you might have in the house already. Now I'm going to start by putting a piece of cheese on. And I chose a cheese that's kind of soft. That'll keep anything from sliding up above that. And I want to leave a part where you can put your hand to pick these up. So when it's in the container, you just pick it up. Alright, so let's start with the tomato. And then we have the tortellini, which Rick cooked and refrigerated so it would be nice and firm for me to work with here. Now we're going to go in through the side so that it will keep it where it's already pinched shut at the natural pinch. So that was one reason that we didn't want to boil it too long. So you want to be able to keep that closed while it's on the skewer. Then, whatever you feel like grilling, griddling, whatever you want to do, that's what you load on here now. So we use some peppers and we use some zucchini. I like to kind of go through the skin a little bit because that holds it still. And you know, you don't have to make these heavy loaded, just make enough so that people can have a couple of them when they are having a snack. Alright, looking good. So I'm only going to put one cheese up here and fill it with other things. You could make them all different. You can make some without peppers, some with peppers, whatever you think people would like that you're serving this to. If you have something that makes it stick good at the end, I will go with something like that. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to put that in the container and make another one. Make them any way you want. You want to put the tomato on first? A-okay. Just leave yourself a little handle. And then I like to make sure there's at least 2 tortellinis on each one. And we want them to be pretty solid because they're going to get moved around, held and put on a plate or carried around. But you can see how nice this is for a little pasta, a little vegetables, and as Rick was saying earlier, he says put some meatballs on, put some sausage on. Yeah, do whatever you want. Do whatever you like. Because it's just the idea here for you to get creative on your own. And make another little chunk of zucchini here at the end. Alright. These are really nice tortellinis from Rana because they're made with natural things. They're also very creamy and cheesy. There's mozzarella in there, there's Parmigiano Reggiano, you know, my favorite. There's several kinds of cheese in there and very enjoyable to eat. Oh. Well, we could make these all day, but I just wanted to show the idea to you. And after I have them back in the box, sometimes I'll drizzle a little more of the oil on with the parsley, thyme, and garlic. And then it covers a little bit more of the tortellini and the cheese. If what I plan to do is serve these cold along with our supper tonight. So I just wanted to give you the idea here for a summer treat. Hope you have a chance to try these tortellini kebabs. This is a great addition to some summer picnic food. Tonight Rick and I are going to eat these with our tomato sandwiches and enjoy them. So I hope you enjoy them too. Thanks for watching. Pass the word.